Hola, hola mis queridos spooniees de la vida y del amor. ¿Cómo están? Yo aquí, tardando. So here I am with another delivery of Let's Give Us a Second Chance or Throwback or whatever you want. I mean, I couldn't care less what's the name of it, but I was on. It is like the why Urban Decay, why? I am so thankful of the people who are truly and true in makeup, because I was this close, this close to click buy on the new eyeshadow palette Cherry from the Naked collection and Urban Decay. I have never had those eyeshadow palettes because for me they are really big, like they are like pretty expensive.
Juicy. This shade right here, the very first one I used, I really didn't have to build up on that one very much at all. That's my favorite shade of the ones that I used. Hot spots seem to be very pigmented on my brow arch. And then these two, being in Devilish, I feel like they kind of blended into one another, and Privacy was not as deep as I wanted it to be. So I kept having to build those up. I ended up getting a pretty good look out of it. I like the look that I got, but it does require some work. If you are a fan of Urban Decay shadows, I think that you will like this palette, but in my opinion, they require some building, and I was a little saddened to see that I needed to use Bang Bang Wet, but once I applied it wet, it was just fine.
But I know the formula of the Urban Decay eyeshadow palette because I kind of have like 3 or 4.
In my case, living in Mexico, what's going on with this? In my case, living in Mexico, it's really hard to return something. I can almost say that it's impossible. It is actually kind of impossible to return something. Let me fix this thing. Okay, that was it. Yep, that was it. I hated this palette so fucking much. This is fucking garbage. I hate it. I fucking hate it so much. First, I did 2 different looks. This is the best that I could do, and this is not even good. All right, granted, I'm not a makeup artist, so let me say that off the bat. For people that are new here that don't know me, you're probably like, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm an average motherfucker just like you. Okay? I think I'm okay at makeup. I just like fucking telling my opinion because I'm a loud mouth bitch. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. And if I could save you some fucking coin, I will do so in the process. This was super disappointing. One, when I first saw this palette, I was actually kind of into it because I was like, ooh, girl. So here's the eyeshadow palette. This one costs $29, which is like 30. The size is really tiny. I mean, want to make a comparison with another one? Well, here's the Naked Decat. They are really small.
I'm going to do an easy look.
I'm not like a super mega fan of the movies, but they are kind of the these colors look really good on an eye green monster like me.
I just applied the first eyeshadow that was Sweets. Then I went with Beyond just to add a little bit of dimension, and I'm gonna be quiet now because I want to tape.
Let's do this!
there are people with there are still people with conscience in the beauty community, because I can honestly tell you that this eyeshadow palette, whether it's $30 or, it's not worth it. This is a mini cherry. Let's face it, this is a mini cherry. This is supposed to be a shimmer. I don't think this is a shimmer whatsoever. I mean, look, this one is like glitter. And the third one, I think that's the one that has the more quality. It's brown. But just look at this. And look at the difference between this one from the Urban Decay eyeshadow palette collection.
This is the eyeshadow palette. This is kind of pinky. But let's try with a shimmer from this palette. This Wild Heart. Grab me this, my man. Please look at the difference. And I'm doing this without Max Plus or England. I use England with the other ones. With matte.
See the difference? Can you see the difference? It's a shame. This is something that I just never will understand about the brand and the companies. Why, if you have an excellent formula, why do you change? That's a question that I would love that someone who works with Urban Decay could answer to me. Why, if you have a hit, why, if you have something with a good quality like the first Naked Heat palette, like the Christian Lian palette, why, if you have something so good like this eyeshadow palette, this is not a shimmer, at least not for me.
And that is a shame, because this palette, well, you can make it work. You can easily dupe it. You can I can give you more choices if you are like with this kind of colors, that if you would like to. I mean, if you really want to, you can just make it with subjective. Okay, so maybe this as a spoonie, I can tell you this is not worth $30. This is not Urban Decay quality from the Naked that you used to handle. I can give you the option of color pop, the pretty much, or give it to me straight. Even this Huda Beauty is much better. But if you want to go for the whole package, that is my recommendation, because, well, I like mini eyeshadow palettes. I like them, you already know that. But this one, this is an awesome palette. This is an excellent eyeshadow palette. You have everything that you can possibly need in here with a good quality.
So, if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and please let me know what you think. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but just let me know. Okay, so I hope I can see you on my next video. Bye!